key steps. Measurement of the Amniotic Fluid Index, AFI. Measuring the largest pocket in each quadrant. Keep transducer vertical. Exclusion of cord or limb. Normal is 8 to 20 centimeters. Measure the amniotic fluid index by first dividing the maternal abdomen into 4 quadrants at her umbilicus. Keep your transducer in the vertical position along the sagittal plane at all times when measuring each of the 4 quadrants. Begin with the right upper quadrant, identify the deepest vertical pocket of fluid, and freeze this image to take the first measurement. The measurement line must be vertical for all measurements. Proceed to the other quadrants. The sum of these 4 measurements in centimeters is the AFI. When measuring, the line must not cross any fetal part or the umbilical cord. The normal AFI is between 8 and 20 centimeters.